It turns out the creator of Pepe didn't have everybody's best interest at heart after all. I put out a couple of videos when Pepe first came out talking about the risks of investing in meme coins like Pepe with very low liquidity and the developers are unknown. As it turns out, for a lot of people, that was pretty sage advice. But not financial advice, of course. Consider it more of life advice. After all, nothing I say on this channel is financial advice, as I'm not a financial advisor. But let's break into exactly what happened over the past 24 hours with Pepe. As you can see here on this tweet, it says 1 hour ago the Pepe multi-sig wallet changed the amount of signatures required on their multi-sig from 5 out of 8 to 2 out of 8. This comes after sending $15.7 million worth of Pepe to exchanges. A breakdown of what we know. The multisig first received funds from Binance 3 hours ago and proceeded to send Pepe to the following places: $8.3 million to OKX, $6.6 million to Binance, $438,000 to Bybit, and $400,000 to an unknown exchange/wallet. $10.42 million worth of Pepe remains in the multisig. Somebody else around the same time put out a tweet saying any reason why the Pepe multi-sig wallet changed the threshold to just 2 out of 8 signatures seems weird. This isn't standard, right? Also seems that some has been sent to exchanges. So as you can see on the chart, the price immediately dumped after those tweets were put out, and it's continued to dump. Now, obviously, it's bounced from the bottom of that dump a little bit, but I definitely foresee this going down even further based on the news. A lot of people still haven't heard about what's happened yet, and I speculate that it will probably continue this downtrend, especially with the market in a current downtrend as well. But this is terrible news for Pepe holders out there, because 2 out of 8 signatures on a multi-sig is not just a security risk, which is massive, by the way, to have such a security risk, but it also is sending a message that the creators of this, whoever they are, don't really care about whether or not they send it to zero. They are looking for a gigantic payout, is what this shows to me. Somebody that I've spoken about on my channel previously is PolyOX. I've done extensive videos on what I think of this guy. You can determine for yourself whether or not you like this guy. I don't really care for him, but anyways, he put out a tweet yesterday doxing this guy, the creator of Pepe, saying, here's Zachary Testa, aka Degen Harambe, aka Lord Keck LOL, on Telegram from Phoenix, Arizona. He infamously bought an $865,000 purple Lambo with his Pepe earnings, all while his team didn't give a cent to the original Pepe the Frog creator, Matt Fury. Now, I'm not normally for doxing creators like this, but this is kind of a special case because I could tell from the get-go that the creators of this were in this just for a massive payday. They were looking to make a ton of money, and they knew that they could capitalize on such a sensational character in the crypto world. Because of that, people immediately piled into this. Creators got involved. The thing just blew up way bigger than anybody initially thought it would. But as you can see on this chart, it wasn't all sunshine and rainbows for everybody involved. This token, after just being 4 months old, is down 80% already from its all-time high. Now, I'm not saying that this could never go back up, but what I am saying is that this project had a ton of red flags as far as I was concerned. That's why I didn't put a lot of money in initially, and that's why I took profits after making only a 2x on this. Now, some might say that that was really silly. I could have made a lot more money. But as far as I'm concerned, profit is profit. There's always the risk that I could have taken had I waited longer, that this could have died and just completely gone to zero. There's these weird two groups in crypto. There's the ones that are hodl-nots that just want to hold until the bitter end. And then there are ones that say, if you don't take profits at the top, you're a loser. I'm more of the mindset that there's a happy medium in there somewhere. There's also this story right here that I find fascinating. I found this on Twitter. A whale spent 320 ETH, $529,000 to buy 640 billion PEPE 3 hours ago. The whale also spent 280 ETH, $507,000 to buy 500 billion PEPE on June 5th and spent 250 ETH, $481,000 to buy 164 billion PEPE on May 6th. So as the price has been falling, this whale has been picking up more and more, averaging down. They think that even with the creator out there selling their bags, they think that this coin, this cryptocurrency, still has the potential to go up over time. And like I said before, it absolutely could. I won't bet my bags on it, but it's clear what this whale is doing. This guy is trying to average down his costs so that when the price does go back up, he can sell. There's a lot more that I could say about this subject, talking about liquidity, doing proper research, finding out what the tokenomics are, seeing who's behind these multi-sigs of these tokens that pop up out of thin air. But I kind of feel like it'd be beating a dead horse at this point. That's going to be it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please be sure to hit that like button. And if you're a PEPE holder and you think that this video is FUD, be sure to hit that dislike button. I don't care. Thanks for watching. Crypto Clay, out.